Happiness is a happy show. Bang, bang, shoo, shoo. Happiness is Matt Hawes's show. Ooh. When he stands there with his puppet, his name is Happy, but nobody cares, and he acts like a crazy little kitty puppet. That's him with the puppet on his hand. It's all the same rundown humor, but you know, because happiness is not the happy show. No, no, it sucks. Happiness is not Matt Hawes's show. Happy, happy, perfect.